Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated steps on how to snooze a friend on Facebook. Whether you need a break from their posts or just want to declutter your feed, snoozing is a quick and temporary solution. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. This feature is accessible only through the mobile app, so make sure it's installed and up to date. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This opens the menu where you can access various settings and tools. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand the options, then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. Under the Preferences section, look for Content Preferences and tap it. Here, you'll find tools to customize what appears in your feed. Now, select Snooze. This will show you a list of friends, pages, and groups that you can manage. Use the filter option to narrow it down by friends. Finally, locate the friend you want to snooze and tap Snooze next to their name. That's it. Their posts will be hidden from your feed for 30 days. Don't worry, Facebook won't notify them about this action. And there you have it. You've successfully snoozed a friend on Facebook. If you change your mind or want to unsnooze them before the 30 days are up, simply revisit the snooze settings and end the snooze. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need a little peace in their news feed. See you next time.